As una don hear na EndSars everywhere. EndSars for Nigeria. Now, the matter now where they going be say, when I know say President Akuffo Addo, President of Ghana, now him be chairman of ECOWAS. So as this thing they happen for Nigeria now, people they expect say this man will come out, say something. You understand? As he no do am, now Yvonne Nelson, now one actress for Ghana, and she vex. She come out, say her mind. Say, as the president no talk anything, president of Ghana, as he's supposed to talk something as head of ECOWAS, now him be say in the part of waiting they happen for Nigeria, in they involve, in like him, in they satisfied. Now waiting me mean be that. Now in Medikal, another musician waiting for Ghana, come out, blast Yvonne Nelson. He tell Yvonne Nelson, say, make Yvonne Nelson no blame Nana Akuffo Addo for Buhari's incompetence. Okay, yes. Incompetence. Go find the meaning. No ask me. Now so manifest too. Now another musician. Manifest can't hear that one. Where Medikal tell Yvonne Nelson. Manifest too explode. You can't tell Medikal, say make Medikal shut up if you don't know what he go talk and make him allow people wey won't do human rights. Make them do and make he give them space. This fight no easy. Everybody they blast each other on top EndSars. Why this? People sabi drink Panadol for person headache. Something where they happen for Nigeria now, you don't come cause fight for here. And the one way they pain me now be say, President Buhari too they lie. He too they lie. This man, Nana Akuffo Addo don't call her. Okay. Now like this, everything they will make you try settle your country. You know, as for good co-president, they give an advice. Buhari can't lie. Say, we are settling everything. We have gathered together in the table. Which table? They settle the thing. Say now there will be peace. President Nana Akuffo Addo, I beg you, now lie. I think you have to make that call again because in fact, Nigeria is becoming worse. If care is not taken, we go yes, Nigeria will not exist again. He has not done anything about it. As they speak like this, the matter, in fact, they increase. People, they die. Which settle he say he settle? They don't settle anything. Why people, they lie? Oga President, Nana Akuffo Addo, I beg, you need to make this call again. Because he has lied. And it's a very big lie. I beg. My people, now so we see this matter. Now so we see this very matter where they talk like this. Yvonne Nelson, Medikal and manifest. I just pray say they settle this thing because it's no friendly. It's no friendly at all. You can drop on a comment as I don't bring this hot one now. Drop on a comment, share this video, like them and subscribe. Make you they get more of the videos as they come. You know, I trust you now. I go see you now later.